If you don't know me, my name is Megan. I built this camper you see behind me, and I started posting on YouTube in August, and then I just disappeared. Life got really chaotic, and I started working on some projects for you, and now they're finally ready. Basically, when I posted that, I thought I'd have more time to show up consistently, and I didn't really want to come back until I knew for sure that I could be. Going forward, starting today, after this video, there will already be another video that is going to be part of the camper build series of how I built this. It's everything I filmed while I was building it. It's just that for me, that happened like a year ago. So you're gonna see it now. I'm gonna be uploading 3 times a month. If you would like that 4th week filled in your life to see me a little bit more, you can join me on my website. I have a membership platform available, basically like Patreon, except I just wanted it to be on my own website instead of something else. Basically, my internet timeline and my real life are like on 2 totally different schedules. So for that, I'm going to be sharing stuff that's currently happening in my life right now. There's going to be a monthly bonus video, there's going to be early and ad-free uploads, and I'm also going to do updates from the road. So basically stuff that I would normally just text my mom, but you're going to see it too. It's just going to be stuff that probably wouldn't normally make it to social media, but it's still interesting or nice or pretty or just like easy for me to put up quickly and not think too much about it. And you're going to get to see it. I don't know if I said, but I'm currently in Oregon in the camper. I'm at the beach right now. You can't see it because it's overexposed, but I can hear it and I know it's there, and that makes me very happy. If you join the membership, you'll get a Oregon vlog this month. So that brings me to the special news I have for you. The thing that's taken up the most of my time since I've been away from YouTube is I wrote a guide. I basically took all of the questions everyone had been asking me, all of the people that wanted dimensions or blueprints or wanted to know kind of the thought behind my build or why I did things a certain way. All of that is in a special little guide. With that, I've also kind of included a bit of a soft guide, because really when I started to write this thing, I wrote it with my past self in mind. Like, I thought about me 2 years ago or me a year ago and thought, okay, what does she want to know? Which was a lot. Like, I'm pretty meticulous with things, so it's very detailed. I wanted answers to all of the stuff, but I didn't even know which questions to start asking, so this kind of gives you a structure for that. It gives you just a place to start, and when you're ready you can go into the detailed part that talks about this camper build and how everything has been done. It's not like super step by step, but it's just explained about why I did it a certain way, or if I didn't like something I did, I give you alternatives or other people to look at for more information. I had my boyfriend, who's the electrician that did the work on the solar and electrical, to help me thoroughly explain kind of how that works and all the parts that are involved. And if all the photos and dimensions and explanations are not enough for you, there's also a virtual 3D model of the camper, which was really fun for me to build. You can go in and like scroll around and zoom in and explore the camper in its 3D version. I would say it's like 90% accurate. It's just difficult with all the contours and stuff of a vehicle. I'm never super confident in how transferable the information is, just because there's so much like trial and error and going back and like it depends how exact you want it to be. Like, do you want to absolutely maximize all the space, or do you just want to get close enough to the wall to get most of the storage space? Anyways, I talk about all that kind of stuff in the guide. If you are kind of interested but have more questions, you are welcome to leave them below. I have a 2006 GMC Yukon, that's 2nd generation, so I think it's like 2000 or 2001 to 2006, which is basically the same as a Chevy Tahoe. It's written on the product page what other similar models are, but no matter what, it is so specifically built to things that I owned. So my guess is that you will probably have to make adjustments for your own taste and stuff you own and what you want to build. If someone actually duplicates this, I need to know. Please share it with me. That's what the community board is there. I want to see what you're building, whether or not it's with the guide or you've already built it or you're thinking about it and you have questions. Come hang out with me there. I would love that. I'll have everything linked in my description below, probably on like every video. So you can go to the product page and there's like some screenshots of stuff that you're gonna see inside, and you can read a bit more about it there. Another thing to keep in mind is if you purchase the annual plan for the membership, you get a discount on the membership, but you also will receive a discount code that goes towards the guide. There are 2 more things included with the guide. I tracked every receipt that went into the build, so you can find a full cost breakdown and some of the exact products I used. And also I put together kind of like a frequently asked questions for life on the road, so things like how do you find out where to shower, stuff like that. You can find at the end of it as a little bonus. That's all the news. So my sincerest apologies for leaving you, but I did come back with goodies for you. And I will be back consistently 3 times a month going forward. You can watch the other video right now. If you are one of the first 15 people that are interested in the guide and are still here at the end, I have a coupon code for you that you can use. It's first come, first served, so whoever the first 15 people are that use it on the product page will get 15% off if they use this code, and it doesn't mean that the first 15 people that watch the video are gonna want the guide, so may as well try it. But I just want to get it into people's hands because I truly do want to help people like this. It will make me so happy if people actually find value in this and get out on the road themselves. So anyways, that's all for now. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope you have a lovely day.